Close your, okay. Now we will start the class. Close your eyes, back straight, palms together. Bring your mind to the lotus feet of the Lord. We'll chant Om 3 times. वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गणेश स्तव। आज हम पेज नंबर हरिओम निहाल 38. Hope you are doing good, Nihal. Okay. Ajam nirvikalpam nirakaramekam niranandamanandamadvaitapurnam param nirgunam nirvishesham niriham परं निर्गुणं निर्विशेषं निरीहं परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजेमा परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजेमा गुणातीतमानं चिदानन्दरूपं चिदाभासकं सर्वगं ज्ञानगम्यं मुनिध्येयमाकाशरूपं परेशं मुनिध्येयमाकाशरूपं परेशं परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजेमा परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजेमा जगत्कारणं कारणज्ञानरूपं सुरादिं सुखादिं गुणेशं गणेशं जगद्व्यापिनं विश्ववन्द्यं सुरेशं जगद्व्यापिनं विश्ववन्द्यं सुरेशं परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजेमा परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजेमा। नेक्स्ट गुरु स्तोत्रम. ओके Page number 87. अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्परं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुरेव परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। स्थावरं जङ्गमं व्याप्तं यत्किञ्चित् सचराचरं तत्परं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। चिन्मयं व्यापि यत्सर्वं त्रैलोक्यं सचराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। सर्वश्रुतिशिरोरत्ना विराजितपदाम्बुजः वेदान्ताम्बुजसूर्यो यः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। चैतन्य शाश्वत शान्तो व्योमातीतो निरञ्जनः बिन्दुनादकलातीतः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ज्ञानशक्ति समारूढः तत्त्वमाला विभूषितः भुक्तिमुक्तिप्रदाता च तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। अनेकजन्म सम्प्राप्त कर्मबन्धविदाहिने आत्मज्ञानप्रदानेन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। शोषणं भवसिन्धोश्च ज्ञापनं सारसम्पदः गुरोर्पादोदकं सम्यक् तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। न गुरोरधिकं तत्त्वं न गुरोरधिकं तपः तत्त्वज्ञानात् परं नास्ति तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। मन्नाथ श्री जगन्नाथः गुरु श्री जगद्गुरुः मदात्मा सर्वभूतात्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुराधिरणाधिष्ठ गुरुर्परमदैवतम् गुरोर्परतरं नास्ति तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव। Okay, now we'll do Gita Dhyanam. Before Gita Dhyanam we will do calendar. Okay, भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीम्। नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे फुल्लारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयप्रदीपः प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। सर्वोपनिषदो गावो दुग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्ससुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत्। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनम् देवकी परमानन्दम् कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्। Today we will do Bhishma Drona also. Okay? Bhishma Drona Tata Jayadratha Jala Gandhara Nilotpala शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थाम विकर्णघोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी सोत्तीर्णा खलु पाण्डवैरणनदी कैवर्तकः केशवः। We'll stop. सर्वधर्मान् परित्यज्य मामेकं शरणं व्रज अहं त्वा सर्वपापेभ्यः मोक्षयिष्यामि मा शुचः. हरिः ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरिः ओम. And now second chapter. Today we will learn till 12. 4. Very good. So daily one you learn. By this weekend you will complete 8 shlokas. Very good. Very good. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Atha Dvitiyodhyayah Sankhya Yogah. Sanjaya Uvacha Tam Tatha Kripayavishtam Ashrupurnakulekshanam Vishidantamidam Vakyam Uvacha Madhusudanaha. Shri Bhagavanuvacha Kutastvā kashmalamidam Vishame samupasthitam Anaryajushtamasvargyam Akirtikaram-arjuna Klaibyam asmagamah partha Naitattvayupapadyate Kshudraм hridaya daurbalyam Tyaktottishtha parantapa. Arjuna uvacha Katham bhishmamaham sankhye Dronam cha madhusudana Yishubhih pratiyotsyami Pujarha varisudana. Guruna hatva hi mahanubhavan Shreyo bhoktum bhaikshyamapiha loke Hatrarthakamamstu guruni haiva Bhunjiya bhogan rudhira pradigdhan Na chaitadvidmah kataranno gariyah Yadva jayema yadivano jayeyuh Yaneva hatva na jijivishamaha Tevastitah pramukhe dhartarashtrah Karpanya doshopahatas svabhavah Pritchami tvam dharma sammudhachetah Yachreyasyan bruhi tanme Bruhi tanme शिष्यस्तेऽहं शाधि मां त्वां प्रपन्नम् न हि प्रपश्यामि ममापनुद्यात् यच्छोकमुच्छोषणमिन्द्रियाणाम् अवाप्य भूमावसपत्नमृद्धम् राज्यं सुराणामपि चाधिपत्यम्. Now I will chant, you repeat after me, okay? Sanjaya uvacha evamuktva hrishikesham गुडाकेशः परन्तपा ओके गुडाकेशः प्लस परन्तपा गुडाकेशः परन्तपः ओके एवमुक्त्वा ऋषिकेशम् गुडाकेशः परन्तपः न योत्स्य इति गोविन्दम् न योत्स्य इति गोविन्दम् उक्त्वा तूष्णीं बभूवः no wrong ba is normal बभूवः correct न योत्स्य इति गोविन्दम् उक्त्वा तूष्णीं बभूवः तमुवाच हृषीकेशः तमुवाच हृषीकेशः प्रहसन्निव भारत तमुवाच हृषीकेशः प्रहसन्निव भारत प्रहसन्निव भारत सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये विषीदन्तमिदं वचः ओके नेक्स्ट 11th श्री भगवानुवाच अशोच्या नन्वशोचस्त्वम् अशोच्या नन्वशोचस्त्वम् we'll do it again अशोच्या नन्वशोचस्त्वम् नन्वशोचस्त्वम्
नन्वशोचस्त्वम्
प्रज्ञावादांश्च भाषसे
भाषसे
प्रज्ञावादांश्च भाषसे
प्रज्ञावादांश्च भाषसे
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 गतासून
गतासून
गतासूंश्च
गतासूंश्च
गतासून
गतासून
गतासूंश्च
गतासूंश्च
नानुशोचन्ति
नानुशोचन्ति
पंडिताः पंडिताः
पंडिताः
नानुशोचन्ति पंडिताः
नानुशोचन्ति पंडिताः
Okay. 116. Okay. You can repeat after me. Shankara Sadashiva Chandrasekhara
शंकरा सदाशिवा चंद्रशेखरा
Chandrasekhara Gauri Shankara
चंद्रशेखरा गौरी शंकरा
Shankara Sadashiva Chandrasekhara
शंकरा सदाशिवा चंद्रशेखरा
Chandrasekhara Gauri Shankara
चंद्रशेखरा गौरी शंकरा
नीलकंठ शूलधारी चंद्रशेखरा
नीलकंठ शूलधारी चंद्रशेखरा
भालनेत्र त्रिपुरारी गौरी शंकरा
बालनेत्र त्रिपुरारी गौरी शंकरा
चंद्रशेखरा गौरी शंकरा
चंद्रशेखरा
गौरी शंकरा गौरी शंकरा चंद्रशेखरा
गौरी शंकरा चंद्रशेखरा
शंकरा सदाशिवा चंद्रशेखरा
शंकरा सदाशिवा चंद्रशेखरा
चंद्रशेखरा गौरी शंकरा
चंद्रशेखरा गौरी शंकरा
नीलकंठ शूलधारी चंद्रशेखरा
नीलकंठ शूलधारी चंद्रशेखरा
भालनेत्र त्रिपुरारी गौरी शंकरा
बालनेत्र त्रिपुरारी गौरी शंकरा
चंद्रशेखरा गौरी शंकरा गौरी शंकरा
चंद्रशेखरा ओम नमः
शंकरा
शिवाय
सदाशिवा चंद्रशेखरा चंद्रशेखरा गौरी शंकरा चंद्रशेखरा गौरी शंकरा हनुमान चालीसा श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज निज मनु मुकुर सुधारि बरनौ रघुबर विमल जसु जो रायक फल चारि बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरौ पवन कुमार जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीस तिहु लोक उजागर रामदूत अतुलित बल धामा अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी कंचन वरण विराज सुबेश कानन कुंडल कुंचित केश हाथ वज्र ध्वजा विराजे कांधे मूंज जनेऊ साजे शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर राम काज करिबे को आतुर प्रभु चरित्र सुनिबे को रसिया राम लखन सीता मन बसिया सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे रामचंद्र के काज सवारे लाय सजीवन लखन जियाए श्री रघुवीर हर्षि उर लाए रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाई तुम मम प्रिय भरत ही सम भाई. So we'll stop here. Okay. Last story, Amma.
Two stories. The Brahman and
Last week I told 2 stories.
the
No, that was last to last class.
Brahman and the robber and one Brahman and the devotee.
Brahmin and the thief. Right? Okay. Very good. Now today, actually after listening to the stories, I am asking you to write down the morals. Otherwise you can say in voice also, so that I will understand my kids have listened to the story very interestingly and they have learned something out of it. Okay? Are you getting it? So last week's story, if you did not listen, it's okay. Now you go and listen to the only story part and write down the morals, at least one moral per story. Okay? Okay. Now today I have a funny story. There was a great devotee of Lord Vishnu. Lord Vishnu has taken a form of Vithala. In Maharashtra, there was a devotee called Tukaramji. And he is also called as Bhakta Tukaram. So he is a great devotee of Vithala. Okay, he was always doing, singing the glories of God, listening in a temple where there is chanting happening. He used to go and sit and listen to the glories of God. And he used to sing the bhajans of the Lord always. And one day it happened like he was so immersed in the Lord and he was singing the whole night. And suddenly what happened, the God was so impressed and he was so happy that he wanted to meet his devotee. He came down and he's just sat next to Bhakta Tukaram like how Tej was sitting now. Okay, then God was like, then Tukaramji was shocked. He was like, oh my dear God, you are listening to my stories and my... Yeah, so yeah, how then Tukaramji was extremely happy to see the Lord. So then they were just talking. It was in the so it happened like Tukaramji was always singing the glories, and he used to see Lord next to him or in front of him. Whenever he's chanting, he's saying the Harikatha, God used to be present there, and they used to have a chat also. Finally, it spread in the village. This word spread. So many people were very much interested. They also wanted to see the Lord. When Tukaramji is singing and saying the glories of the God is coming. So we will also go and sit along with the Tukaramji. Then they all went and requested Tukaramji. So tonight from 9 o'clock to till morning, we will be sitting with you. You sing the glories, you tell the Harikatha. We will be sitting and listening so that God will come. We will also see the Lord. Then Tukaramji said, yes, you are all most welcome. Please come and sit along with me. When I chant, you also chant along with me. You can see the Lord. Then they were all dressed up very nicely because they want to see the Lord, no? They dressed up very nicely. They came and the Harikatha started. At 9 o'clock, generally people will feel sleepy, no? After 1 hour, they were waiting. Tukaramji started singing and he was enjoying. He closed his eyes and he did not know what is happening around him. He just, he was absorbed into the Lord's glories. Then, after a while, after 1 hour, few people left because they were feeling sleepy. Then after 2 hours, few more people left. After a while, after 2-3 hours, there were nobody. Only one person was sitting. Then in the midnight, and you know, God did not come. Tukaramji he was not expecting also. He was just singing the glories. Then one person was sitting in front of Tukaramji only. Then Tukaramji opened his eyes and he saw that person. He was shocked. Where all these people went? He asked. Then he said that they left to their homes because they were feeling sleepy and they waited for the Lord. He did not come. So, and you were singing and you were saying the Harikatha. They all left. And he said that you are so immersed in my katha and you are sitting before me. I am so happy. Tukaram said, don't misunderstand. I am not immersed in the Harikatha. I am just focusing on the mat where you are sitting. What? What happened? What happened to this mat? Because that mat is mine. Whenever you stand up, whenever you get up from this seat, I want to take away that mat and go to my home. I am not listening to the Harikatha, he said. Then Tukaramji was like, oh my God. Okay, then he stood up and he gave away this mat and that person also left the temple. Now all alone Tukaramji is waiting. Is singing the glories. Again he closed his eyes. After a while, after a few minutes, God appeared before him. Then Tukaramji is like, oh my God, all the devotees left. Now you came. Why are you so late, God? He asked. No, actually I was testing them. I was there only, but I did not give the darshan. Because I want to see how many are really interested. Just they dressed up nicely to see me, but they are not having faith. And Tukaramji was not actually, he's not expecting God to see and talk to him, right? But he was very happy after seeing the Lord and they had a nice talk and then God left to Vaikundham. Okay. So what is the moral of the story?
Be patient.
There should be meals for everybody. Okay, I have one more story also. This is about Sudama and Krishna. Okay? Who is Sudama?
Krishna's friend.
Krishna's friend. And he was actually little weak. He was very thin and he was weak also. So it was like they studied together, and later they were Krishna was living in Mathura, and Sudama went to his village. One day Sudama was just walking, and suddenly he fell into a deep pit. As he was thin and he was not so strong, he could not get out of the pit, and he was shouting for the help. There was nobody. Suddenly, a thin boy who was looking like a cowherd boy, he came and he just gave his hand and he pulled Sudama out of the pit. And then he was just going away. Sudama felt the presence of the Lord, and he realized that it was not the cowherd boy, it was the Krishna himself. Then Sudama was like, he pulled him off and then he was running. Then Sudama was just, he held him like this. He asked him, don't leave me, God, don't go. Like this he was pulling. Then the Lord was like, who are you? No, I am not Krishna. Why are you pulling me? Leave me, leave me. He was silly. No, I know you are Krishna. Then Sudama was like, no. Then Krishna was like, no, I am a cowherd boy. You are misunderstanding. He said, then that boy, he took his hand off and he ran away. Then Sudama was in tears. Lord, as I am not a strong person, as I am a weak person, you escaped from my hands. You are thinking that you are strong, but I will not. I will believe that you are strong if you escape from my heart. See how nice the Sudama is telling? As a strong person, he can escape from his hands. But Sudama said, I will accept you are strong if you escape from my heart. It is not in Krishna's hands, right? It is in our hands. Can God escape from our hearts? Unless you allow, unless you don't chant his name, he cannot escape from our hearts. Right? Very beautiful story, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, see, you have listened to the story. If my voice is breaking when I upload the Om Sarvesham Swastirbhavatu Sarvesham Shantirbhavatu Sarvesham Purnam Bhavatu Sarvesham Mangalam Bhavatu Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramayah Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschid Dukkha Bhag Bhavet Om Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityor Ma Amrutangamaya Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Kids, actually, during this lockdown time, we are not leading the daily routine life like earlier, right? Our daily routine is also changed. So be thankful and be patient. We stand as one family, bound to each other with love and respect. We serve as an army, courageous and disciplined, ever ready to fight against all low tendencies and false values within and without us. We live honestly the noble life of sacrifice and service, producing more than what we consume and giving more than what we take. We sing the Lord's grace to keep us on the path of virtue, courage, and wisdom. May Thy grace and blessings flow through us to the world around us. We believe that the service of our country is the service of the Lord of Lords, and devotion to the people is devotion to the Supreme Self. We know our responsibilities. Give us the ability and courage to fulfill them. Om Tat Sat. Hari Om.